Namaskar, students. Today we will learn important topic, that is subset. Now, this name sub of set is suggests that subset is a small particle or small uh, arrangement of element. Okay, so this is like the same thing. See the definition. Subsets: every element of A is also an element of B, then a set A is said to be subset of set B. Okay, and the notation is like this. This is the notation of subset, and I read that this mean is a subset of. So A is a subset of B, like that. Now I repeat the definition. What the definition says us, that every element of A also element of B, mean all element of A are in B, then A is called subset of B. Is that clear? Here we will see some example after this explanation, that this is the notation, remember, and this notation having two meaning: is a subset of or is contained in. So A is contained in B, we read like that. Okay, and this is the logical definition. Logically we write like this. So A is a subset of B if whenever small a belongs to A, means small a is a element of A, this symbol mean implies that. This symbol read as implies that. And what is the meaning? If then. It is used when we write conditional statement. Okay. So here this is the conditional statement. If whenever small a is the element of A, and then same thing small a is the element of B, then we say that A is a subset of B, and this is for every element of A are in element of B. The same thing as definition says us. Okay. Then this means A is not a subset of B. When this situation doesn't occur, mean all elements are not in B, then we say that A is not subset of B. And we read A is not a subset of B, we put a slash of on this symbol. Now this is the equality of sets, and we learn this definition in previous video, that when A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, mean all elements of A are element of B, and all element of B are in element A. This means both having same element. Element of A are in B and all element of B are in A. Then we say that A equal to B. A and B are equal sets. So this symbol, this is implies that, this is double implies, both side implication, both side, left to right, right to left. So this is the how to read symbol, double implies, and what is the meaning? If, or if mean दूसरा second meaning if and only if. Okay, if and only if. This is also the statement when the statement is true on both the side. So when such a situation occur, we use this symbol, double implication. Okay. So this double implies mean A subset B and B subset A, then A equal to B, and reverse, A equal to B, then A subset B and B subset A. So that's why this is both side implies, so we use double implies. Okay, and it mean is if and only if. Now these two facts you have to remember, that from the above definition, from this equality definition, that every element of set also in the same set. This is the fact. So A is always subset of A because all element of A are in element of A. Right? So subset of itself. Remember. And null set having no element. So all element mean no element mean all element of null set are in A. That's why null set is a subset of every set. Remember this thing. Now another set, that is singleton set, and this singleton suggests that having single one. So set has only one element, then the set is called singleton set. Right? Single element having singleton set. If A subset B, but A is not equal to B, sometimes such situation occur, then A is called a proper set. Okay, and if of B, and in this situation B is called superset of A. A subset B, A is not equal to B, so A subset B, so A is a subset of B, but in this case A is called proper subset, and reverse, A is a subset, a proper subset, but what is B? B is a superset of A. A is a proper subset of B and B is a superset of A. Right? This is the relation between A and B when all the elements of A are in B. Remember this thing. So you have to write all this explanation 10 times. And if you do not get properly, listen again or read or see again this video. Okay. So this is the very important notes I write from the textbook. Okay. So you have to write 10 times and you have to buy it. Now some examples related to subset or is not a subset. So from the given some examples, fill the blank by the symbol, proper symbol, subset or is not a subset. Okay. So set 2, 3, 4 blank set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to see that are all the elements of this set in this set? See, 2 here, 3 here, 4 is here. It means all element of this set are also element of this set. So we say this is the subset. We write proper symbol. Now this set is ABC blank set BCD. A not belongs to, B also belongs to, C belongs to, but A is not element of this set. So all elements of A, this set are not element of this set. All are not possible. So we write is not a subset of. Now third and fourth I give you in homework. This is very easy examples. You can write yourself. Now the fifth example, the set of all x such that x is a triangle in a plane. The set of all x where such that x is a rectangle in the plane. So first set is the set of triangle and this is the set of rectangle. So both the sets are of different figure. This is the set of rectangle, this is the set of triangle. So all the element of this set are not in this set because here triangle given and here rectangle given. So this is not possible. So is not a subset. Sixth also I give you in homework. 7. X, the set of all x such that x is an even natural number. And here the set of all x such that x is an integer. So in the set of integer, all even natural number are also included. So all natural number are also in the set of integers. Is that clear? See, this is the set of even natural number, that -2, 0, then 2, 4 and dot dot dot. And this is the set of integers, all -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and dot dot. So this is Z, capital Z. You remember the symbol of set of integers. This is capital Z and this is the set of natural numbers. So we write only natural numbers. Okay, not all integers, only natural numbers. So all even natural also included in this set. It is very clear. So this is the subset. Okay. Now see, remaining I give you in homework. They are also very easy. Use some logic and solve. Also illustration 9 you have to calculate. Okay, yourself. Now next example 1.3 question 2. From the given question, examine true or false. The given statement are true or false, you have to examine. So set AB is not a subset of set BCA. Is true or false? So set element A is also here, element B is also here. So this is false because this is subset, not subset is false. So this is false statement. What is true? Then what is true? True is set AB is subset of set BCA. Is true. Is not subset is false. Now set AE is subset of the set of all x such that x is a vowel in the English alphabet. So there are 5 vowels in which 2 are given here. So clearly these 2 are also in that 5 set. So this is subset and this is true. Now this is singleton set. Set A belongs to set ABC. This is false because between two sets this symbol is not appropriate, is not convenient. Belongs to is possible between set and element. Element also belongs to set. Set is not belongs to set. Clear? I repeat. Okay, element belongs to set. Set is does not belongs to set. This is true like this. See. Small a belongs to ABC. This is true because this is element. But when we write like this is not element, this is set, and set between these two sets, this symbol is not appropriate. Okay, so this is false. Next, the set of all x where x is an even natural number less than 6 to 4. How many natural number? There are 2 natural number, 2 and 4, like this, 2, 4. Okay, even natural number less than 6. So 6 is not included. less than 6 included. So 2 and 4 are even natural number. The set of all x where x is a natural number which divides 36. Natural number divides 36. 1 divides 36. 2 divide. 3 divide. 4 divide. 6 divide. 9 divide. 12 divide. 18 divide. And 36 divide. So is 2 4 belongs to this set. So what is the correct symbol between these two? Subset is correct. Okay. So subset is correct. And here subset is given. So this is false or true? This is true. Okay. So this is true statement. I do not calculate third, fourth here. I give you in homework, and you have to write illustration 10 and 11 also, the same examples. Okay, so you have to write theory 10 times, question 1 and 2 all included, all 1 to 7, 1 to 6, twice illustration 9, 10, 11 also twice. Write yourself.